guys, this is just going to be a quick video of the best way I've found to install a tank pad. So what I like to use is some thread that contrasts the color of the tank so you can see it to help give yourself a center line, scissors, some electrical tape, and tank pad. First thing you want to do, get the tank pad out, package, and take and cut around the outside of the tank pad. Now these things have alcohol in them, so they dry out pretty quick. Just a little pad. And go ahead and clean the whole surface off really good where you're going to be sticking your tank pad. Squeaky, squeaky. Gotta make sure you get this nice and clean anywhere you think you're going to put the pad. Let's see. It looks pretty good right there. And take these little pieces of tape and make sure you put one in each one of the key points that you're going to need to line up. This way you have a reference when you go to actually put it on, because once you get these things on, you cannot reposition them. So you gotta do it right the first time. Now on this one, these little tabs are actually separate from the main body, and so is the bottom. So I have to make sure I've got alignment marks for both the tabs and the main portion. Go ahead and put some for the bottom right here. The bottom all nice and lined up right with the bottom there. And do the same thing on this side. So we got a pretty good outline right there with key points. And now for the bottom portion of this, it's nice and lined up there. And on the other side, alright, so we got all our key corners. Yeah, throw one more on each side of that. Point straight at the corner. And right there. Okay. You can go ahead and pull your alignment string off, along with the tank pad. And throw it on the ground. Okay. Double check, make sure everything's got aligned correctly. Okay. Carefully peel off the tank pad. Okay. Press that on, make sure there's no bubbles or kinks in it. Okay, so far we're all lined up. Nice and centered. Now to add the tabs on the side. Okay, last piece. Okay, peel off all of your electrical tape. And if you kept a little cleaning pad, go ahead and clean off any residue left by the tape. Okay, you're all done. Looks pretty lined up to me.